Google's Pixel series notoriously leak-prone, and this time is no different. Let's dive right in. Introducing the Pixel 8 Pro, coming in 3 breathtaking colors: licorice, porcelain, and sky. And a surprise! A new temperature sensor neatly positioned next to the cameras. Before the official launch, Google's teaser gives us a sneak peek into the product's debuting on October 4. Apart from the much-anticipated Pixel 8 series, brace yourself for the Pixel Watch 2 and the Pixel Buds Pro delight in the Pixel 8's dual-camera system, and marvel at the Pixel 8 Pro's triple rear camera setup. Mark your calendars. Pre-orders for both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro commence on October 4 at 10 a.m. ET. Google surprises again, unveiling the official designs. The Pixel 8 dazzles in blush with a rose gold camera accent, while the Pixel 8 Pro stands out in nude with a champagne gold camera highlight. Discover the cutting-edge Pixel cameras, enhanced with Google AI. Experience tools like Magic Eraser and Photo Unblur, and immerse yourself in the power of Live Translate. And there's more. The Pixel Watch 2 is set to redefine wearables with personalized assistance, advanced safety features, and in-depth health insights. Empower your creativity with the most advanced Pixel cameras, boosted by Google AI. Masterpieces made easy with Magic Eraser and Photo Unblur. Conversations made simpler with Live Translate. Everyday moments elevated. Pixel 8 is not just a device, it's an experience. The symphony of technology doesn't stop there. Introducing the Pixel Watch 2 and Pixel Buds Pro, epitomes of elegance and function. Capture, connect, create. Dive deep with Pixel 8's dual camera and soar higher with Pixel 8 Pro's triple camera magic. Dare to be different. Make a statement with the Pixel 8 in passionate pink and the Pixel 8 Pro in pristine porcelain white. Push the boundaries of reality. With AI capabilities like never before, turn flaws into perfection and barriers into bridges. Reimagine time with Pixel Watch 2 and immerse in soundscapes with Pixel Buds Pro.